In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify website in just about 5 minutes. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the left sidebar menu, then select Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. Inside the editor, you can start editing your homepage in real time. Begin with the announcement bar at the top where you can add messages like discounts, shipping offers, or store updates. Next, click on different sections like featured collections, banners, slideshows, or text blocks to customize their content, images, and layout. To update your branding, go to Theme Settings and click on Logo. Upload your store logo and adjust the size and placement so it fits perfectly. Then move to Colors where you can customize your store's color palette. Choose colors that match your brand identity and create a consistent look across your website. After that, explore typography to change fonts and text styles. Good typography makes your website easier to read and gives your store a more professional appearance. You can also customize the layout settings to adjust spacing, page width, and overall structure of your storefront for a cleaner shopping experience. Before publishing changes, preview your website to make sure everything looks polished on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you're happy with the design, click Save to apply all your customizations live to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.